Want to add your debit or credit card to TikTok for coins or live stream gifts? Here's the easiest way. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Then hit the three-line menu in the top corner and select Balance. From there, tap Recharge or Get Coins. Choose the amount you want, and TikTok will ask how you want to pay. Tap Add Payment Method, then select Credit or Debit Card. Now just enter your card number, expiry date, and security code. Once you save it, your card will be ready for future purchases. Super simple. This method works for buying coins, sending gifts, and other in-app transactions. And hey, if the layout changes, just check for updates or follow the latest version in the app. You're watching the RapidGuide channel. Follow for more smart tutorials.